Okay, there is another format of a worksheet is, you want to enter long text on multiple lines in a worksheet. There is two ways to display long text in multiple lines in one cell. First, we use wrap text button on home ribbon, or you can use your mouse, right click and choose format cells. The other way is we use alternate enter keys before typing a new line of text. So this is an example. We enter a long text. We type Center for Foundation Studies. So for your information, there is a difference when you type any long text in a Microsoft Word and in a Microsoft Excel. Let's say you types any long text in a Microsoft Word. When it reach at the end of the margin of the paper, it will automatically move to the new line. But difference with Microsoft Excel, the long text will be displayed continuously until you aware that text will exceed than one cell. So you need to control this long text, and then this long text must be forced to put inside one cell. So how we want to do it, as I said earlier, either you use wrap text button or we use alternate enter keys. So now let's we try together how we want to use these two format. Example here, I want to type a text at cell A1. So how I identify this cell is a cell A1 by referring the column header and also referring the row header. So the column header is A, the row header is 1. So my active cell is A1. You will see this cell will be highlighted with the black box, or you can refer to the name box here. It also will display a active cell. Alright, so we want to type the same text as our example is a Center for Foundation Studies. So we double click at cell A1. We type Center for Foundation Studies. So you see here is already exceed than one cell. So how we want to put the whole sentence in one cell? So we highlight the cell A1 at the home tab, alignment group. Can you see there is one button name as a wrap text? So you click this button, you will see this sentence will be forced, will put into one cell. That is the first step. That is the first way that we can do. Then the second way is so as I said earlier, we use mouse, right click and format cells. So we type the same text, Center for Foundation Studies. So it still exceed than one cell. So now our case is at cell A3. So you press enter. Highlight the cell that you start the sentence. Use your mouse, right click. You need to choose format cells option, and then they will display to you format cells dialog box. And then at alignment tab, under text control option, check the checkbox of wrap text. And then you click OK. So tada, it's still the same as the first step. it will force the long text into one cell. Okay, alright. The next way, okay, is by using alternate enter keys. Okay, so now we type center for foundation. Okay, so now I stop a while. Okay, I estimate my next word, okay, will exceed cell A5. Okay, so what I do is I press alternate enter key, and then you will see the flashing vertical bar will move to the new line. Then I continue typing. So once I have done, I press enter key. Ta-da! Another magic. They will force the long text, okay, into one cell.